Morning guys, morning. Welcome back. And you know, today Friday, you know, show you a little bit of what I do again. Yeah, on this Friday. Ready for work. Yeah, man. Thing to work. Well, I'm at. Yeah, come on now, man. Ready. Seems like enough flame now catch it up, Lord. So you just leave that right there, let him catch, you know. Get him sort out. Yeah. Hold on there. Go out over here so now. Eating and not too much eat. Not put too much on them today. So I jerk pork that, you know. I already put the coconut milk tonight. Yeah, we call that a stick up scallion tonight now. How we do it yourself? Clean, well clean. You wash it down, see you know it. That's good. What else we are putting tonight now? Curry goat still. Make it cooking like one juice. Yeah, so that's the first flip right there on the pork, you know. Yeah man, right, that's the first flip that. So that's the color me I look for, you know. And then you just put them over this side and let them do them thing, you see it. Yeah man. Don't let it burn, don't let it scotch, you know. No scotch pork around here. Yeah. The rice and peas there. Put a piece of file paper over that and make him steam. And put your file paper over it, you know, you're not touching. Don't touch it. Yeah. Make him steam and low. Yeah. See? Yeah man. Yes, Rasta. Getting from a low fire now. It's good curry goat, yeah. Look on it. See? Tell you, no water. Let him steam in that one juice. Good curry goat. Yeah man, check that out. Nice. Yellow. Over this you know, mac and cheese. Soon time for that. Soon ready for that. Yeah man. Remember guys, like and share, subscribe. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, after 1 hour in, look how we're looking. Curry chicken right this way now. The curry goat here. Soft already. So the good oxtail. Good oxtail over here, so see there. Half the bone already, you know. Yeah man. Over here, so cheese sauce that, you know. Yeah, man. And the good brown stew over there, so. And the good mac and cheese there. I get the cheese sauce ready for him now. Yeah, man. Good brown stew that's all fried down. Yeah, man. Everything up, you know. Yeah, man. Everything on a level. Everything on a level. Curry chicken. Everything on a level. Rice over here, so. Give that more 15 more minutes. Ready up. What's going on now? Good mac and cheese right there, so. Cheese sauce ready. Yeah, one already set. Almost oven time. Yeah. Good mac and cheese, man. Yes, oven now for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. What me say? Yeah, man. Remember to like and share and subscribe. Come on now. Right there, so. Yeah. Good jerk pork out piece here. Somebody's gonna be happy to just letting them soak a little bit, you know. Yeah, smoke. So if you have so we're looking, this is how we're looking right here. Come up here. That's the mac and cheese right there, ready, you know. Yeah, man, I think we have one more right here. Yeah. Get that. So guys, steam table set, you know. Yeah, man. It's a good OXTAIL right there, so. Over here, so you have the brown stew. And just you have the curry chicken. Look at that. Good curry chicken. You have the good curry goat there, so. Check out all the details, you know. Yeah, man. Lot of work. Lot of patience. Yeah. Over here, so wait there. Got the rice and peas over here, so. Yeah. Jerk chicken out on the grill. Take it off right now. Cool. Smoking away, you know. Look at all that meat. Look at this there. See that? Nice. Wicked. Nice. Yeah, man. A lot of people gonna be happy today, you know. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, people. Come on now. Don't worry yourself, man. We got you. Ready, okay.